Abusia obeje the safety last week our mujeli Agradaa 15 years. Anche nanka ye nyina yenim se ebia wo prison no. The thing na say all this while na Agradaa any prison na ede na eko. Yadi ahyiamu wa Agradaa ne lawyers aye appeal concerning the 15 years jail term ya omode ayeden omode amanu na said the mama wa ya we na Agradaa eye go bi a 15 years ya omode emanu last week no eyade se na Agradaa any prison na embom abusia na Agradaa ewo police custody. Yes, na the entire one prison na wo police custody no mesremo yenkwanko tie die etwegu a efa and sa ensensem yiko NHS so far appeal and lawyers ayeden aye concerning the case. Yeah, yes, according to the lawyers now almost sa 15 years jail term yi ayetesen kwase asam enti omokoye appeal our motor say court and as appeal court ebebo ni nyina ayeden atwagu na mesremo yentie die egom e ka say embra according to Angel News report yentie embra
Asamoah for Evelyn Asamoah a sentence no to 15 years imprisonment with hard labor. Na me no wo ka say bia afe na mama party na mkwan so ayede na call in some prisons. Say Thursday no wanko, Friday no so na a holiday, Saturday na ya dia me checks on some prisons say omoye adwuma half day, official duties no na a half day nti say ne Monday ena bibia de na kwamu me no kasa sisi anso ya dia ne lawyer lawyer Richard Asaribafo a file appeal.
Hold on.
I have the copy.
Hold on, mommy. Answer na obeko ni lawyer appeal a wa file ya wanya bi. Sa bre no a ye shares ye mfa no konsa wa mu a holiday wo mu no na mami no oyin. Eh no da.
No ka say ogusu e wo police custody. Okay. Police custody. Onko fie nkwaye hwe wo ho. Or police custody. As at now, or police custody.
It is holidays ni nyina no odi ya won fa nu nsa wo mu no na o police for them.
Oh, police for them.
Okay, all right. After you chain appeal no.
The lawyer anope ya a file appeal. Na appeal a wa file no. Eye adesedia or the airful court n'anim ese court no entie ni sufre. Na appeal no. The edikan or court and say the High Court should set aside where a petition of appeal pursuant to section 326 of the Criminal and Other Offences Procedure Act 1960 at 30. Also, the petition of Patricia Esiedu states that 1. Circuit Court 10 Otemwa 14 Anna Evelyn Asamoah 3rd July 2025 convicted and was sentenced the petitioner Agradaa to 15 years. Into almost 5 years no. Where your court document 15 years. 15 years in IHL in hard labor. 15 years petition no they cause you reducing fee any so man no. Anase yen twaimu yen finhia makomaku edunum enye dwumaden ka ho we na ne lawyer natural a they come High Court and wechi o kire say charges are de born no 1 count 1 charlatanic advertisement count 2 defrauding by false pretense mienu we na eche no or the copying of the judgment aka ho bi na niema Agradaa court High Court or copying Yedikan or say the conviction and sentence should be set aside as the judgment is unreasonable and cannot be supported by the evidence on record. The grounds are they call point 1 near. The lawyer said, Atemwa ya convicted Agradaa so unko de fiasi 15 years and no nya dwumaden. O say there be or no there ohun ne say eni nyina so ensuo kura enim. Into High Court and setting aside only couldn't find free. Point 2, I say
Angel.
The trial judge, point 2, I say the whole trial is wrong in law. To say the whole trial, no, if 2022 basic 2025 I see the whole trial no cry wrong any mrem nti yen free ho enkan okra. The third point I see the trial judge denied the petitioner fair trial by calling her to prove her innocence when prosecution had left no or insufficient evidence, contrary to Article 19(2)(c) of the 1992 Constitution. Into I said that no, until yes, prosecution no free dance 4 and 9.
Angel.
9 no, or through the offense submission of no case. Now court ne catch Agradaa say that be but not that came. Be bon crew, but can you winning fast terminal or see no crano? It's yamra. That be and can settle the more for no cry. Yen your yen. Can this oma Agradaa a be ever can be actually court no. Then can say one no at twice that tracking. The next point or say the trial judge demonstrated manifest bias and personal animosity towards the petitioner by persistently engaging in confrontations, harassment, and intimidation of the accused lawyers in open court, thereby denying her adequate and effective representation. You can say, but the one for no, Subai be Niyebi or Danedi, or near a lawyer for me to meet Traso, Fracas, Takraba, as a Guna, a lawyer for no, as a popo, and any child a lawyer for no, who can we us ye, we us ye, we us ye, almost to say, South and a buyer, with him more for Evelyn as some more Danedino, Amwa, a lawyer for no, Ama, a who can count on the Bayer of Jumano, and Koyi and Farmer. The next point, the sentence of 15 years in IHL is harsh and excessive, taking into consideration the circumstance of the case. Obviously, 15 years in hard labor, Aden, Sabi, Wakum Nipa, I know Aden Dodo, I know Shedodo, Oshako Eduna, the born na and say, your man was 15 years in, or say excessive. And the last point, additional grounds to be freed upon receipt of the judgment. And in the last point, they say, Agradaa, Yenjano, Kra, non funny hundi. Afe, and our filing crate. Afe, and the Ebesha Bra quarter, the Baman say, Omra, na Omekan asem, Omebonin crew, and Fanche. Mini Alibaba, Mamin Kensi Sudia say, near lawyer naturally in I and I dream power watcher. And what command court. Proceedings now say, but the more for any treaty of would you so no intimidate one, no harass one, or see the full trial no cry wrong. No. The full trial no cast a wrong. No. Or the full trial proceedings from day 1 to the last day judgment no at the Akoma High Court. High Court or tomorrow for no better seminary so no. Or better from day 1 to crying. Or be ascertain say near omo kano ensuo wom enyina so wom eyampa se yamano kwan ama ebia wanka ne onim yamma ne kwan anaso temofo ne tietia lawyer ne fa ahodie so otemofo ne ye bibi e kire se da bi kai se prosecution no ewie ya kai se submission of no case no okasa Agradaa fa ahodie so eye niema bebre ene ko into appeal and appeal ayi eye niema miensa. Either say, you be okra, you be acquitted. Either say, you bet since you any swamo akase ayampa, the judgment was harsh. And now so to more for any kind proceed and in area, no short time I had the man how I proceed and in our correct naka say mammy class when you saw you. Oh, when you saw there. I did 25 years, I'm 15 years I will maybe 2 years account, maybe 5 years account. Yet me include the amount. Utimi kwase wasem eye niema miensa appeal de wo kwa eye niema miensa either say ye beja okra you be acquitted either say ye be reduce years na wo ye be amount na so mpen e bia ye betime reduce the amount and na say wo kwa ye di be ka ho amount eye niema miensa
I te say ball bo eye win draw and lose
tietia but near another woman eye foforo kra ye di appeal ni
Abusinya tie according to Angel News report concerning Agradaa ni case enti Agra yade se enede yi na womode no egopiem court prison prison enti all this while jeli na say ye kan wonsem no na police custody police cells na wonyandru prison enti empremprem de wakolande prison say the lawyers so akọ file for appeal but appeal no omunyam bie appeal ni mu enka munsam ane chese de bekọ akosi ne chese enwo koro ne ba enti empremprem de Agradaa edem prison what you say yes actually say when we lie no na wonim ever enede the case ebebiem court biem actually say woni appeal biblical ensensem no eno so yente de etwagu akase ya efa woni appeal biblical ensem no this side the lawyer
different case that represented Madam Pat. Today was for ruling on that particular case. However, our pleasure was that the court, under the circumstance where she has been put under lawful custody, the court will adjourn so that the ruling will come on a later date or the adjourned date. However, my lady was of the view that adjournment was not, she needed not to be here for the adjournment to be done. However, she went on for the ruling. But an order has been made so that she'll be brought from Nsawam prison so that on the next adjourned date she'll be available. So that was what happened in court today. But it's a different case from what happened on Thursday.
Not just two troubles, one God against Agradaa and subscribe for updates. Na minfa wo ANC ahasi ye.